My A1C before starting Mastering Diabetes was 8.1, and now it's 6.4, which is considered pre-diabetic. And I have lost 38 pounds. I am an insulin-dependent type 2 diabetic, about 7 years. My blood sugar was being managed by general practitioners, and they didn't always do a very good job. And I was very, very frustrated, and I ended up with a lot of lows, which was really scary. And I knew there had to be something better out there. And so I started doing some research and found Mastering Diabetes. And I thought that it might be worth trying. So that's what I did. What felt most frustrating during that time was not getting a specialist like an endocrinologist on board that really could manage my diabetes much better than the general practitioners could. And I just felt blindsided. The doctors would tell me, okay, just eat, a diabetic diet and, go on to this website and follow the instructions. And that was not helpful at all. My husband and I had started plant-based eating, and we felt so much healthier. And we did that for a while, and then we ended up going back to eating the standard American diet and just felt awful. And when we found Mastering Diabetes was plant-based, that was something that really intrigued us and something that was a new approach. And so we got the Mastering Diabetes book and started watching some of the videos on YouTube and gave them a call and thought about it for a little while. My husband passed away before we could both do it. So I decided that I would, carry on by myself, and best decision of my life. I was considering was that it was an investment and a long-term commitment. And I wasn't sure if I was ready to do either of those. And so I really had to do some soul searching and decided that my health was worth it. And my diabetes was just so out of control, and I needed to do something. And I'm so glad that I did. I decided to commit to the program because I was so tired of trying to do it alone and not getting any results. And I knew that I didn't have all of the tools to do it. And the first few weeks were totally awesome. My coach talked to me about getting an endocrinologist, and I'd never had one before. And she also talked to me about getting a continuous glucose monitor. I didn't even know what one was. And not knowing anything about diabetes, I was just feeling like someone finally was listening to me and helping me get the help that I needed. And once I got those things, I stopped feeling so frustrated. And then there was the online education so that I really did learn about diabetes and really let it sink in and really learn it. And I feel so empowered now. It's such a good feeling. My A1C before starting Mastering Diabetes was 8.1, and now it's 6.4, which is considered pre-diabetic. And I have lost 38 pounds. My cholesterol has gone from 294 to 137. My insulin usage before I started Mastering Diabetes was about 35 units a day for my fast acting. And now it's 8 to 12 units a day. My slow-acting insulin, I didn't even have any before Mastering Diabetes. And when I started out, it was 15 units twice a day. And then now it's only 10 units twice a day. And my fasting blood glucose was in the upper 200s. and now I'm down to 120s. What surprised me the most was the volume of food. I didn't think that I'd be able to eat that much, but I surprised myself. I can eat a lot. It's good, healthy food, and that makes me feel good about myself too. And my early aha moment was when I felt the support, not only from my coach, but from the people in my group. They're very supportive and we learned from each other. And that was so helpful. And then there are other coaches that are supportive in their office hours that they provide. And then there are group learning opportunities on different subjects. And then there are also pre-recorded videos that you can watch and meal prepping and exercises and all kinds of things. So you can just be learning all of the time. I couldn't be more proud. That just makes me smile so much. And I'm more energetic. So I can do things physically that I couldn't do before. And I'm starting to influence other people, which I think is really neat. And one of them is my son. I live with my son. And he was saying something the other day about maybe going back and going to a vegan diet, which is, close to plant-based. So I was very pleased about that. I think he sees the change in me and how happy I am and how independent I've become and empowered. I have gotten more out of it than I ever thought I would. And I would do it again. And I'm going to continue to stay in the program because I just keep learning more and more. And I get the support that I need. And right now, that's really, really important. And I also want to give other people support. It's just an awesome program. It's so well worth it. And if I was to tell someone, about it, I would say, go for it. It'll change your life. And it's changed mine. It's awesome. It's such an empowering feeling. There are so many medical problems that are caused by having diabetes. They're all very scary. And by reversing diabetes, you put yourself at less risk for those kinds of things. I'm hoping to go further until I'm no longer diabetic. And I know the program can get me there. And you'll live longer and you'll live happier.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes Meal Guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.